Homeowners, fall is officially here, and that means winter is just around the corner. So it's time to prepare your home for the colder months. Welcome to another Wednesday with Wayne, and today we are discussing the necessary steps every homeowner should take to prepare their home for the colder months. It's crucial to have your furnace or heat pump inspected to ensure it's running efficiently and safely. Don't forget to change your air filters too. Leaves and debris can clog them up, causing potential damage and ice dams. A simple cleaning now can save you big headaches later. Check for drafts around windows and doors and apply weather stripping or caulking to keep the warmth in and the cold out. Add insulation in your attic and basement to prevent heat loss and lower your energy bills. If you have a fireplace, ensure it's clean and safe. Schedule a chimney sweep if needed. Did you know you can change them to circulate warm air? Change the direction to clockwise to push heat downward. Set it to lower temperatures when you're not home to save energy. If you have a wood-burning stove or fireplace, make sure you have enough firewood to stay warm. And that's it. Your home is now ready to embrace the cold weather. Stay warm, stay safe, and enjoy the season.